Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to leverage our built-in widgets to collect and visualize your device's data. Now, for demonstrational purposes, I'll be using our BMS template as a source of data, which is simulated by our AI. It mimics the data that a real device would deploy if it were to be connected to our Kaa platform. Now, to create the BMS solution, it's as simple as clicking the Add Solution from Template button and then selecting the Business Management System template and then clicking Create. Now, this may take a few seconds to load, so bear with me. Okay, great. Now, in this video, I will be using the location, digital gauge, and multi-series chart widgets to showcase how you can visualize all the data that your device could deploy. Now, before we do that, let's connect the simulated device to our servers. It's as simple as clicking the home dashboard. As it loads, we can see the device is yet to be connected. So all we have to do is copy the application version and then click the Connect Simulator button. Then click Fork, and then as it loads, we'll see the application version tab right there. We paste it and we click Run. Now this may take a few more seconds to load and connect, so bear with me. Okay, great. That should be more than enough time. Now, as you can see, if we go back, it says the device is online. So all we have to do now is just click there. And as you can see, we're presented with a bundle of pre-configured widgets within this template. So for the purpose of the video, I'm going to clear out this entire dashboard and add the widgets remotely and configure them to visualize our data. Okay, great. Now that all the widgets are gone, let's add our location widget here. Now, adding widgets in Kaa is as simple as clicking the Add Widget button and then selecting the one we want. All the widgets are completely interactive. You can move them and resize them to any proportion you want. Now, this location widget is not displaying anything yet because we need to configure it. And to configure it, you just need to click this pencil icon. Now, connecting the widget to our simulated device is as simple as scrolling down to the Data Sources tab and then selecting our preferred device. In my case, I will select my BMS device. Then EPR. Then let's select our latitude. And then longitude. And the endpoint. That's it. That's all it takes. As you can see, it's displaying the icon there of our simulated device's location. And what's cool about this widget is that it's all in real time. So if the device were to be moving, you'd see that on the map. Anyways, let's move on and start adding our next widget, which is the digital gauge. Just click that device, go to the gauge, and let's select the digital version. Now let's move it and make it look a little better. Now, to edit the widget, the same process applies. Just click the pencil icon at the top right hand corner. And then let's scroll all the way down to the Data Sources tab. Then EPRS. Then the application version, which is our BMS template. Now, if you look at the Time Series tab, it displays a lot of other data that could be displayed with this widget. But for this video, we'll just be using the simulated temperature. As for the time series value, just select the value.value option. And as you can see, it instantly starts to display the device's temperature in the Celsius measurement. What you can do is, if you don't like the Celsius measurement, you can switch it to the Fahrenheit measurement. It's as simple as going to the Appearance tab. Then for the measure, instead of custom, we're gonna select the temperature option. Now for the value unit, we're using Celsius and we want to display Fahrenheit. Now what this does is automatically convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let's just save real quick. And let's finally add our last widget, which is the multi-series chart. So let's just click add widget and then select our multi-series chart. Let's readjust it, make it a bit bigger, as this chart will be displaying all the information that our BMS solution is generating. Now to configure it, the same process applies. Just scroll down all the way to the data source tab. Let's select our BMS solution. And let's just save. Let's just switch the display to 5 minutes, as our simulated device has only been running for a few minutes. Okay, great. So now with this chart, we can also filter certain data. For example, we can just show the temperature and the pressure that our BMS solution is generating. So all you have to do is deselect or select the tabs that are provided with the multi-series chart. This way you can filter the information that you would want to see. Great. For now, this is it. Don't forget to try Kaa out for yourself. On this note, I'd like to thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.